What's up, guys? It's your boy, Jay Demarion, back with another banger video. And today, we finna be up on this monkey out. Y'all can't see me right now, though. But just know, this video, I ain't gonna be showing myself. It's a reason why. But it's not no reason why, cause y'all might not feel like it's a reason why I shouldn't show my face. But anyway, we gonna be on this monkey out, and we gonna be, you hear me, getting down on all the hoes. You hear me? I'ma just be, you hear me, fucking with like just a little laughing video. You hear me? I ain't trying to make this video too long neither. You hear me? We gonna do a little couple. You hear me? And then we gonna move out our day. You hear me? So we finna go ahead and start this, and just know, guys, it's late night. It's like dark. Y'all see the time up on my laptop. It's dark. So let's just go ahead and get started. And congratulations, my niece is here today, bro. January 15th. Yes, I'm having a niece. Oh my God, I'm so happy right now. Her birthday, January 15th. She was just birth today. She is a Capricorn. Thank God she came out safely. But we just gonna get started with this video. So let's go ahead and hop on that monkey out. We gotta make a video. Come on now. I'm happy today. I'm feeling it today. You hear me? My niece is here, you hear me? So let's go ahead and get this shit started. And we're gonna make it a little short. We ain't trying to, you hear me, do too much now. Come on now. She ain't break bread, keep
I
pushing.
doubt the girl down.
What's up with it?
Nothing cool enough, bro. What you got going on?
Damn, yo shit just went deeper than mine. Damn. And she was ugly. What the fuck? Marcus. That boy. Ugly as hell. Ugly. Hey, hell nah. Get your little con ass back.
Why did you stop the movie? I got
Um, damn, nigga. That might not look like woo wop on Jesus. Lil' bro look like woo wop, cuz. That man nigga ugly as hell. Skip, please. I hope that young nigga skip me. Oh, Jesus. The boy Steve. The boy Steve. Steve's in the cut. We gon' bang on him. Steve, this what I've been waiting on right here. What's up with it? What the? A gay nigga holding the. Cuz I swear to God, cuz. On J. Christ, cuz. What the fuck? Cuz all this gay shit, I swear to God, cuz I'm off this shit on Jesus Christ. This video gonna be shorter than I thought. What the? See, I swear to God. I swear to God, this video finna be shorter than I fucking thought. This shit finna be 3 minutes, cuz. These gay niggas, cuz, I don't like that, fool. Like, like, I don't demonstrate, like, I just don't want people coming around thinking I'm gay, you hear me? I don't like it, you hear me? What's up with it? Damn, ugly, 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 and stupid looking ass nigga. Damn, nigga, twisted. Ugly. Somebody done foot my ass out. Speaking on Westboy Bushing, ugly nigga. About to hop on his eye. You're in no condition to drive, mister. So with it, ugly. I don't know what he doing.
See, business. Get you some.
Gay hell. I swear to God, one more gay nigga come on there how I'm in and I put that on Jesus Christ. What's up with it, cuz? That nigga ain't talking. What the fuck? In the cut. This better be a real female. I'm Jesus Christ. I'm off this shit. What's up
That's
with it,
good.
fool? Damn, let me see your face, P.
Huh?
Let me see your face, P. Wait, cuz it's two people. Come on, fool. I ain't finna talk to somebody if they ain't gonna show that face. How old y'all ain't actually 22? Come on now. Be for real.
He 22 either.
Huh?
You're not actually 22 either.
I know I'm not. I'm just asking y'all.
How old you is?
How old you is, fool? Just go ahead, let me know. I spoke on the ages first, so you gotta tell me how old you is first. Come on now.
12.
12?
I fucking
Did you? Oh God, I pray I hope they just get my. They just glitched and shit. They just glitched out. What the fuck?
Hello.
Bruh, what the fuck? Y'all glitching out. That shit just glitched real bad.
Whatever they take for the win, I'm gonna take the
Ugly
fall.
hair,
Say
that
cross
tight
my mother.
ass ski mask on, big eyebrows ass nigga.
Get it in. Turn
Oh
it up one
Jesus,
night.
come on now. This shit weak. You saw it.
Come here.
What's up with it?
Why like Taylor could look little better?
Cause why y'all come on? Oh,
You know
damn,
somebody named Taylor.
what's up with y'all coming on there?
You know somebody named
And
Taylor.
I was just about to call the girl in there hoe cute, and you in the background talking shit. You probably be ugly as shit. Come on now, don't
I said you look like this boy.
I don't look like nobody but my damn self.
Period. My bad. I'm sorry.
Exactly. Come on now, fool. Don't be coming down there hoe. You hear me? Talking shit to me, cuz.
The person I'm talking about not ugly though.
Yeah, I don't get no fuck. You 18? Y'all 18 for real?
I am.
I'm not 18. I'm not 22 by the way though.
How old you is?
I'm 12. I'm just talking. Hold on. I'm 15 for real.
You.
Skill. I should have kept on live, but some folks be young too. Cuz. What's up with it? Ugly ass nigga. Little
I
headphones
know your
set
fat
ass
ass not
nigga.
talking, nigga.
Hey, little headphones set ass nigga. Shut
Hold
your
on. Hey,
bitch
do
ass
this real
up.
quick.
Hey,
Hey, do this.
hey, do
Do
this.
this.
Oh, do
Do
this.
this.
Ugly ass nigga.
Don't prove my
Yeah,
point,
big
please.
butted
Your shit
ass
point
nigga.
like, nigga,
Ugly
you
ass.
like 12 years
Hey,
old with a receding hairline.
take that shit off your head. Ugly hair
You
ass nigga.
12 year
Oh
old
God.
with a
Shut
receding hairline, nigga. Stop talking.
yeah. Just say what you gotta say, ugly ass.
I
Oh
already
God.
said it. You like 3 minutes late.
Shut your soft ass up. Ugly ass.
You can't box,
Big
nigga.
hair, yeah, nigga.
You can't
Bitch
box.
ass. He bitched out. What's up with this young nigga? Mustache. He put all these other. Hey,
The fuck?
the fuck? She think I'm ugly in here. I ain't gonna lie. I really can't even see myself right now.
Grape Street, nigga. Grape Street.
Baby shit, man. Them folks say it got checkers up over there. Yeah, dog. The folk playing chess but with a checkers board. What the fuck?
Hey, yo, what's up?
What's up with it, fool?
Alright, can you do me a nice little favor?
Can you do me a nice little favor and shut the fuck up?
I-
So bitch ass. Speaking of web boy bullshit.
Oh, fuck. No, I nigga gay.
Big nose. That young nigga know big fool.
Who's you? Just playing a nice little game and shit.
What's up with it? What's
You're
up
a
with it?
nigga. Stop being a
Y'all
nigga.
not actually 18. Come on now. They lying. I'm lying too.
Coconuts have water in them. I am a llama eating a banana.
Ugly. Damn, y'all wanna see what I was doing? That shit probably would have made it funny though. I ain't gonna lie. Come on, next. Ugly. That nigga from Denver. He did not put that shit on that profile picture. I don't know what he thought. Princess, she gotta be 12. Come by some motherfucking princess. She gotta be under the age. Little hat ass nigga. I'm finna grill his ass.
Yeah.
We are.
I'm
Jay's from Memphis, man.
Memphis on.
Atlanta hoe. Stupid fun. You better be fine. What's up with it? Hello? She lagging so fucking bad. This my balls asshole. You ugly as hell. Hell no, her ass and that hoe twisted that shit look like real dude.
Hold on.
Long face ass nigga. Banana field face ass nigga. Long cigarette ass nigga. That man they got that jump from the extra long spot. Then it ugly. I ain't gonna lie, that chick weak here. Big jacket ass nigga.
I would beat your ass in real life, niggas.
Oh God, put that on your soul. Well, I'm on your ass. He know what to do. I'm bopping wooski turned up into the goose running my
With the big 4 album and all that.
yeah. God, chill out, cuz. Man just took my shit. What's up
Yeah.
with it? Little pretty / ugly.
Uh-huh.
Oh, what's your name? Ooh, that's an ugly ass name too. So that make you 10 times more ugly.
And you ugly.
Bitch. The feeling is mutual. The feeling is fucking mutual. Couple of my shit back.
Hey, friend.
You just gonna put, what's up with it? Ugly ass. Oh shit, that was fucking.
I love it. But you not trying. I ain't no fan no trying.
Only a big scar. No cap. No, only a big scar. I'm on some real peace. Smoking on weed shit. No, you ain't doing shit. Smoke on the R, pull up out the block, so them ain't showing shit. I smoked on the R500 run. I thought that they was slick. I ain't doing no
Boy, your
crazy.
little ass talking about you smoking, boy. You just got out of Pampers, man.
Your ass just got off on me. Yeah, nigga, come.
Damn, man, they might come back in here and check it, cuz.
That nigga,
Man
I
said
want
that's a
you to
raisin
put
on
on
your
your
feet.
pampers. That shit weak. Good cap ass nigga.
I said that. Dude said that. Well, dude that was standing right here.
Sit your big
Oh,
junk
so,
ass up. Big nose
boy,
ass
fuck
nigga.